The pressure at your cold water tap shouldn't cause you any inconvenience. It shouldn't be a trickle or a gushing torrent. If you have either of these, then something is wrong, and there are several possible explanations. Is it just your home that's affected? Check with your neighbours. Have you had any work carried out at your home? If so, check the stop tap and see if it needs adjusting. And if the water is just a trickle, are you sure that it's just due to low pressure and not that your water supply is off altogether? You can check if we are working in your area by looking at our website. Other possibilities are that you're on a joint supply and water is being run by others on that supply. Also, some people have a pump to help the water reach their taps. Check that's working okay. Your water pressure at the cold tap should give you 9 litres a minute. If you need further help or advice, please give us a call.